No, I think that in a way you have to lose everything to appreciate things more. And when I had all that money and all the trappings and everything like that, it's like these footballers, who are like 23 and they drive around in a Bentley. They feel, if anything, a little bit guilty. They don't really appreciate it. But, somebody who's sort of struggled a lot and had setbacks and worked all their life and then bought a Jaguar at the age of 60 would really appreciate it much more. I just think that you look at anybody that has lost something, it's a reality check in terms of the fact that you really do appreciate it when you get it back. Albeit, as I said, my businesses are nothing like the size of what it was. The fact that I lost absolutely everything after that speech because I had tax bills on share options that were worthless. I had to sell my house, two houses. I got into debt. And I went through a very difficult period for 7 years. And then when I started, when that made that money from the gym, and then I started making a bit of money back, it really was something that I really, felt great about because of the fact that for 7 years I couldn't pay my bills. I was totally skint. And I've learned now that that doesn't particularly make you happy. I did go to the other extreme of spending the whole time at home and, doing all the things I tried to avoid before, like taking the children to pantomimes and stuff and like that. I've now got a balance and I've got a home life and it's much more healthy from my point of view. And that's one of the reasons why I'm happier. So, but now I do actually say, now I appreciate stuff. Although I haven't got all that stuff, but I do appreciate what I have got much more.